In education, digital development is moving beyond single-device purchasing. Schools are now looking for complete solutions that connect teaching spaces, learning resources, classroom interaction, and daily management into one coordinated system. In the past, schools often focused on whether they have a large display, a projector, or recording equipment. Today, the real question is whether these systems can work together around the teaching process. In daily classrooms, smart classroom and multimedia teaching solutions help teachers present courseware, make live annotations, manage interaction, and switch content smoothly, reducing the complexity caused by scattered devices. Digital content delivery helps schools organize coursework, videos, and question banks, then publish them through a central platform, so teachers, students, and classroom screens can access the right content efficiently. Lecture capture rooms use cameras, audio pickup, auto-framing, and live processing to record lessons clearly, turning real classroom teaching into reviewable, shareable, and reusable learning resources. In remote and hybrid teaching, interactive classroom solutions connect different campuses, classrooms, and remote students. They support two-way audio and video, synchronized content, and real-time participation. The same system can also support dual teacher classes, shared classrooms, and remote training. A lead teacher can deliver the lesson while local instructors support students on site, keeping both content and interaction aligned. For teaching evaluation, assessment, and feedback solutions, connect classroom questions, quick tests, assignment feedback, and data analysis. Teachers can understand learning progress faster and improve instruction with clearer evidence. For vocational education, experimental teaching, and practical training, labs, language learning spaces, STEM innovation rooms, and skills training areas focus on workspace management, equipment use, safety, process recording, and hands-on practice. The value of education solutions is not stacking devices. It is building a complete system for teaching, learning, management, assessment, and application, helping schools improve quality and resource use.